Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a silver metallic 2020 with a brand new Mini-T conversion. On the roof you find crossbars that holds the awning. Over there, antenna, solar, max air fan. Inside you find a couch that pulls out into a 43 by 72 inch bed. 2000 watt inverter, dual house batteries, microwave that can run off-grid, TV, DVD player, refrigerator, sink, a table, privacy curtains. All conversions come with a shore power cord and plug and a hitch. This Transit Connect has a split back door which allows you to open up just partial or all of it. Check out our inventory, www.dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089. And always, happy camping!